Are you serious? I want to see it, Lisa. Are you serious? Yeah. Lisa, go put it on quick. Well, we make this. Okay. What?
Okay,
no, you're not.
Talk.
Hi, guys. So, right now we are at Lisa's house with Kara, Krista, Lisa, Mariah, Leah, Bree, Maverick. And, let's see. We're trying to come up with a good video idea. So, we'll probably make that, and you guys can watch that, because it's going to be really good. And we couldn't go to North Dakota, so we couldn't make all the videos like we did last year, and I didn't get to kiss Brandon, and Bree didn't get to see Jacob, and we didn't get to ride the Ferris wheel, but it's okay, because we're all here together, except Kate.
She's sick.
She's sick. Poor Kate.
Well, she doesn't feel good.
And, oh yeah, and now we got Krista and Kara, so we wouldn't have had that if we were in North Dakota. And, yeah.
Still wish we were in North Dakota.
It would have been so fun. I was talking to Brandon the other day, and I told him that I was gonna kiss him. He knew that we weren't going, but I told him if we would have, I would have. And he was all excited, and I was like, okay.
Is he going to regionals again?
I don't know.
Should kiss him there if he does.
I don't know.
He didn't text me back either.
Who?
Brandon.
You texted Brandon?
Yeah, I asked him how he did.
At least I'm gonna call Brandon.
Jacob probably won't text me and see if he's driving.
I don't know his cell phone. I don't want to call his house. I got it, Bree.
It's 7:01. I was saying my phone number.
Let's count how many rings it takes.
If he even answers.
It's not even ringing. Oh, wait. It went straight.
His phone's probably off then.
Should I leave him a message?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to pretend I'm you.
Me?
Yeah.
How's Mariah's phone?
This is the longest thing ever. Hi, Brandon. It's Bree. So I just wanted to know how you did at state today. And I was just wondering if you saw Jacob there. And was he with a really ugly girl named Sasha? I'm just curious. I'm not trying to be I don't know, creepy. But I just want to know if he was with her. And if you know, that'd be great if you told me. Yeah, so I hope you did good today, and call me back. Bye.
Text message.
Okay, so that didn't go as I planned. Lisa, you got anything to say? Leah? I think that, I don't know. There's so many thoughts going through my head right now. It's hard to grab one. Okay, well, this is kind of a boring vlog.
What's going on? Whatever it is, has nothing to do with a giant lizard.
The other day I was playing charades with Ian, and that was so funny because he couldn't read any of the cards. So he had to go and ask Scott what everyone was, and then he'd come back over and he'd act it out. But he'd always act it out, and I never got it. But he got one. It was conducting an orchestra, and that I acted that out, and he got it. I was like, wow, you're so smart.
Krista says you talk about your article, how your family.
Oh, good idea. Okay, so last week.
Yeah.
Last week was conference, and we were at the awards ceremony, and hold on, I gotta burp. Yeah, hit my back. No, like right here, right here. Higher. Okay, that doesn't work. I don't know how it works for babies. So we were at the awards and we were just like
It's
up
10
there.
minutes. I have to stop it, right? 10?
Yeah.
And the guy had like this microphone, so I just like went over to him and I was like, "Hey, can I use your microphone?" And he's just like looked at me. He's like, "For what?" And I was like, "To sing."
Does Horky have your number?
I don't know why. Maybe.
Because Jacob's confused.
Wait, yeah. What? Okay, so anyways,
I don't know if he rode the bus home.
so then he gave me... Get away! Get away!
Say back.
Back! 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 So then he gave me the microphone. And then I started singing Someone Like You by Adele. And everyone was just like cheering and applauding me. And they just like loved it, I guess. And then I was reading the paper the other day and they had like this whole article just about my singing. And I'm just like in awe. Like, that's like some good publicity, you know? I mean, they should have like, I need to get something. If I got something about squeegee girls in the newspaper,
No. Oh my God.
how would I do that?
No.
What is wrong with that dog?
I don't know.
Back!
Stop.
Back!
Stop.
Back!
Okay, calm down, buddy.
So yeah, there was this like big article about me in the newspaper, and it's pretty legit, I guess.
Good point.
Stay! Stay! Sit! Lay down! Roll over!
He doesn't know anything except for sit.
Sit! Sit!
And he only does that once in a while.
Sit! It's his birthday today. Happy birthday.
And I ran into him. Sorry, guys. Yeah. You're embarrassing me. Yep, 9,000 views on that one video.
Are you serious? 9,000 views? OMG, WHKP, Lisa.
They want you to do a balloon popping video.
I know, I saw that.
Yeah.
That'd be so cool. What my viewers want, my viewers will get. Okay?
Eventually, like a year from now.
No, I'll
We need
get
balloons.
on that. Anyways, I think that's all, and we gotta get brainstorming on our idea.
Just packed to head home to LA from New York. She lives in California.
Who?
The Kardashians, they live in California, right?
Yeah.
Yes. You said the Kardashians in
They
California.
live in Calabasas.
I said Kim lives in New York. Kim lives in California. Kim lives in New York.
She has like 12 different houses.
Yeah, okay, so we both.
But she lives
In
in California.
California.
That's like her homeland.
She tweets about it all the time, Lisa. Okay, that's nice. That was such a stupid video.
Okay, so that's all. We gotta get brainstorming, like I said, and you guys can watch that video. Peace.